Hi students, so I want to go over how you're going to access your assignments for the next 3 days. So each day you'll have a graphic organizer to fill out, and then you will be asked to navigate to a separate website as well to access it. So you were supposed to work on food chain assignment for November the 4th, and tomorrow or today, excuse me, you'll be working on a different assignment in Gizmos. So I'm going to open the worksheet. And so if you need to, if you find it easier, you can click the link that's at the top to get to the gizmo. But it is asking you to answer the questions that are in the prior knowledge before you do the gizmo. So it's asking you to look at the food chain of the hawks eat snakes, snakes eat rabbits, and rabbits eat grass. So it would ask you what organism is the producer in the food chain, and then where does this producer get its energy? And then it was asking you what are the consumers in this food chain. So as you do it, before you start, it was asking you how many hawks, snakes, rabbits, and grass do you have? Then it asks you to click the bar chart tab, hit play, and you here would type in an observation that you saw as you were seeing the population go over time. And as you can see, there are some vocabulary words here that are highlighted and in bold. And so that sentence is the definition. And so it's telling you what steps you should follow as you're in the gizmo. So I would recommend to split screen. So you could have one tab on the side there, and then on the other side you can have your gizmo. So let me fix that. And then here, there we go. So you can have your document on one side and the gizmo on the other. Miss Mead provided the start page, that way you can get to the gizmo. So if you go to the start page, then you will see this G for gizmos. So you'll click there. You'll log in with Clever. So my view will be different, but you will see the variety of assignments that you have for your class. So if it does take you to Clever, you're going to just want to look for that gizmo icon again. So it's this G for gizmo. And so again, you'll have a worksheet like the one on the left each day. And so for Wednesday, you're expected to do the food chain assignment. And for today, you're going to do the disease spread assignment. And so you'll find these when you log into your class for the gizmo. So I'll go ahead and preview how the food chain one looked. That way you could see how you would be doing your assignment. So I'm going to launch the gizmo. And so here you have the numbers that you need to record. So when you go up here to this warm up, you'll type in the current population. So we had 42 hawks, 278 snakes, 2,566 rabbits, and 27,300 grass. Okay? And then what you want to see, you hit the bar chart and you see the percent of balance. You can also turn on the numbers. That way it helps you see it over time. And so I'm going to hit play. And you can see those numbers. They go up a little bit, but they stay right near 100. Okay? And you see it balances out over time. So that's the example for the food chain gizmo. I'm going to go back and open the disease spread gizmo real quick to show you how that works for today. So you have this gizmo. I am going to open the Google Doc in just a second. So the gizmo that you have for today is related to disease spread. So this one is good for us to think about as we return to the building. So, again, you're asked to answer these questions and also take note of this vocabulary. So, why do you think it's important to cover your mouth when you cough? And why should you always wash your hands before you eat? So, again, the vocabulary for this gizmo is disease, epidemic, which we're under right now, infect, infectious disease like coronavirus, and pathogen. So then you will, you know, look at the questions and the answers. And so it says click play and observe. And so we have 20 people in this classroom, and you'll watch what happens. And then look at what happens when a person changes color. So this is your key. So you have these people that are healthy. If they turn a teal color, it's airborne. If they turn green color, it's foodborne. So that's the way a virus or an infection is spread. And then the purple is person. I can't read it, I'm sorry, but person to person. And so you'll answer those questions and then follow each step as you go along. And let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help you guys. Thank you.